Hello, my name is David Medellin. In this activity, I choose the question number one or script one. In this question, and as well is how did you hear about the position open with our company here? When I heard about the opportunity of change location and moving from the physical and to another, I thought about my career move as well. I was studying with my main interest personal, and I love being outside. I love doing outdoor activities, and I love working with people. When I was looking online, I found website and their hair position available in the city area. So I thought I will apply.